Good day, ladies and gentlemen. We are here at the Highveld transfer station where we are busy doing oversight now. Bit of history about this transfer station. Since I became the councillor in 2011, there was always some sort of problems here of the transfer station is closed, the compactor's never working, and so forth. In 2016, the City of Ekurhuleni bring out a waste master report where the Highveld transfer station was classified as a macro station that needs to be upgraded urgently. This station should have a pickup area for trucks and the offload area for trucks, as well as the offload area for residents that is separately. So we need to increase the capacity of this transfer station. This transfer station in 2016 already took a capacity of over 8,000 kilograms of waste a year, and that is quite huge. Now currently there is a lot of problems here with people want school drink money. The place is always closed because it's full, because it can't handle the capacity. So we urge the municipality to please come and upgrade this transfer station as quickly as possible. And we ask residents to please do not buy the official school drinks to get the service. You already paid for it. Thank you.